The journey of 1,000 miles starts with a single step, and so it was with the inception of combustion engines. Take yourself back to the 18th century, a time of tremendous innovation and upheaval. The Industrial Revolution was in full swing, transforming society and industry. Amidst this whirlwind of change, the first successful combustion engine was born. The year was 1860. A French engineer named Jean-Joseph Étienne Lenoir had been busy at work. He was about to change the world in a way few could have imagined. Lenoir's engine, a gas-fired internal combustion engine, was a marvel of its time. It was a far cry from the powerful machines we know today, but it was a start. It was the single step that would start a journey of 1,000 miles. Lenoir's engine was not without its flaws, of course. It was inefficient and noisy, but it worked. It was an engine that burned fuel inside itself to create motion. This was a revolutionary concept. It was the dawn of a new era, the era of the combustion engine. This invention sent shockwaves through society and industry. For the first time, machines were not limited by the constraints of human or animal power, nor by the flow of water or wind. Factories could now be located anywhere, not just near waterways. This opened up new possibilities for industrial growth and expansion. The impact of Lenoir's engine on society was profound. It paved the way for the transportation revolution. Horse-drawn carriages were gradually replaced by engine-powered vehicles. Cities grew, distances shrank, and the world became a smaller place. The creation of the combustion engine was not just an engineering achievement, it was a turning point in human history. It reshaped the world, driving progress and growth. It was the catalyst for change, pushing humanity into a new age of discovery and innovation. Thus, the first spark ignited, setting the stage for a revolution in motion. The wheels of progress never stopped turning, and the combustion engine was no exception. As we journey further into the evolution of combustion engines, we stumble upon two key figures, Nicholas Otto and Carl Benz. In the year 1876, Otto introduced the world to the four-stroke engine. This mechanism, also known as the Otto cycle, was a game-changer in the world of engineering. Unlike its predecessors, the four-stroke engine performed four distinct operations: intake, compression, power, and exhaust. The sequence of operations allowed the engine to convert fuel into motion more efficiently, reducing the amount of wasted energy. Just 3 years later, in 1879, another significant development took place. Carl Benz, a name synonymous with luxury automobiles today, developed the two-stroke engine. This engine was simpler and lighter than the four-stroke engine, making it more suitable for certain applications. It operates in two primary strokes, the power stroke and the exhaust stroke. Now you might be wondering, how do these engines compare to Lenoir's engine? Well, both the four-stroke and two-stroke engines were vast improvements over the earlier design. The efficiency of these engines was significantly higher thanks to the reduced waste of energy and the more effective conversion of fuel into motion, yet the journey didn't stop there. These engines were not just a moment in history, but a stepping stone towards more advanced and efficient designs. They were the foundation upon which modern engines were built, shaping the future of transportation and industry. And so, as we marvel at the ingenious designs of Otto and Benz, we must also appreciate the continuous quest for improvement that defines the world of engineering. These advancements in combustion engine technology are not just about making engines more efficient or powerful. They are about pushing the boundaries of what's possible, about constantly striving to make our world a better place. These advancements pave the way for the engines we encounter in our daily lives. With the dawn of the 20th century, the age of automobiles was ushered in, powered by the ever-evolving combustion engine. Now, imagine a world where transportation is limited, where long distances are a formidable challenge. That was the reality for most of human history until the advent of the combustion engine. This innovation revolutionized travel and subsequently our way of life. As the 20th century dawned, a certain visionary named Henry Ford had a dream. He wanted to create a vehicle for the masses, an automobile that was affordable and reliable. The combustion engine was the key to making this dream a reality. Ford's assembly line production, introduced in 1913, drastically reduced the cost of producing each car, and the Model T was born. This vehicle, powered by a simple yet effective combustion engine, transformed America, making car ownership a possibility for many families for the first time. But the evolution of the combustion engine didn't stop there. A man named Rudolf Diesel had a different vision. He saw the potential for a more efficient engine, one that could deliver more power with less fuel. In the late 19th century, Diesel developed the engine that bears his name. The diesel engine, with its higher compression and greater efficiency, soon found a place in larger vehicles and machinery, further expanding the reach and impact of the combustion engine. The combustion engine's development during this time was instrumental in shaping the world as we know it. It powered the machines that built our cities, the vehicles that connect us, and the industries that provide for us. It transformed societies, economies, and cultures, bringing about an age of mobility and progress that was previously unimaginable. The age of automobiles had indeed arrived, and at its heart was the combustion engine. This remarkable invention, continually evolving and improving, has powered us into the modern era. It has been and remains an integral part of our everyday lives. The combustion engine had indeed become the heart of the automobile industry. The quest for efficiency and power has led to the modern combustion engines we see today. But what are these marvels of engineering, and how have they evolved over the course of the 21st century? In the pursuit of greater efficiency, engineers have developed technologies like variable valve timing, turbocharging, and direct fuel injection. Variable valve timing, or VVT, allows the engine to optimize the timing of the intake and exhaust valves opening and closing. This results in improved engine performance, better fuel efficiency, and reduced emissions. Then we have turbocharging. A turbocharger is a device that pushes more air into the combustion chamber, allowing the engine to burn more fuel and produce more power. This is particularly useful in smaller engines, where space is at a premium, but power cannot be compromised. Direct fuel injection, on the other hand, is a method of getting fuel directly into the combustion chamber. This allows for a more precise control of the fuel-air mixture, leading to increased power, improved fuel economy, and lower emissions. But these advancements are not purely mechanical. Computers have become an integral part of modern engines. They monitor and adjust a multitude of parameters in real time to optimize engine performance. From controlling the spark timing to adjusting the fuel-air mixture, computers play a crucial role in making engines run smoothly and efficiently. These advancements aren't just about power and efficiency, though. They also make engines cleaner. Modern engines produce a fraction of the emissions of their predecessors, thanks to technologies like catalytic converters and exhaust gas recirculation systems. Let's not forget about the role of material science in engine development. Advances in metallurgy and composite materials have led to lighter, stronger engines that can withstand the rigors of high-performance operation. These advancements have made engines more efficient, powerful, and cleaner than ever before. It's a testament to the ingenuity and relentless pursuit of improvement by engineers around the world. The combustion engine has come a long way since its inception, and it's exciting to think about where it might go from here. In the face of growing environmental concerns and the rise of electric vehicles, the future of combustion engines is uncertain. As we move forward into the 21st century, the combustion engine, a symbol of industrial progress, faces significant challenges. For over a century, these engines have powered our vehicles, our industries, and our lives, but now their reign may be threatened. One of the most pressing issues is the environmental impact. Combustion engines, by their very nature, emit greenhouse gases. These gases contribute to global warming and climate change, posing a real and urgent threat to our planet. As public awareness and concern grow, the pressure mounts on industries and governments to find cleaner, more sustainable solutions. And that's where electric vehicles come in. They're seen as the future of transportation, a way to reduce our carbon footprint. With every passing year, electric vehicles become more efficient, more affordable, and more popular. They're not just a novelty anymore, they're a viable alternative. But is this the end of the road for combustion engines? Not necessarily. There's a lot of potential in hybrid engines, which combine combustion and electric power. These engines offer the best of both worlds, the range and power of combustion engines, and the efficiency and eco-friendliness of electric power. As technology advances, we may see hybrids become even more efficient and affordable. Similarly, biofuels offer a ray of hope. Made from organic materials, biofuels can be used in combustion engines with little modification. They're a renewable source of energy and produce fewer emissions than fossil fuels. The challenges facing combustion engines are daunting, no doubt, but they also present opportunities for innovation, for improvement, for change. The combustion engine has evolved before, and it can evolve again. The future may be uncertain, but the impact of the combustion engine on our society and industry is undeniable. The combustion engine isn't just a machine, it's a testament to human ingenuity and ambition, and whatever the future holds, that's something worth celebrating.